In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize an Obsidian vault with Para, or Johnny Decimal. Open your Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, open your demo vault. In this walkthrough, the vault is called Organize Demo, so click that vault to open it. When the vault opens, go to the left sidebar where the File Explorer is shown. Find an empty area inside that file list, then right-click and choose New Folder. A folder name field will appear. Type 1 Projects, then press Enter. Now create the next folder the same way. Right-click in the empty space again, select New Folder, type 2 Areas, and press Enter. Create the third folder. Right-click, choose New Folder, type 3 Resources, then press Enter. Create the fourth folder. Right-click again, select New Folder, type 4 Archives, and press Enter. You should now see the 4 main Para folders in the sidebar. Next, locate the note called Product Launch Plan. Click and drag that note into the folder named 1 Projects, then release it when the folder highlights. Find the note called Fitness Routine. Drag that note into 2 areas. Find the note called Best Productivity Books. Drag it into 3 resources. Then locate the completed vacation note called Japan Trip 2024. Drag that note into 4 archives. Now expand the 1 Projects folder by clicking the arrow next to it. Once the folder is open, right-click on 1 Projects and select New Folder. A new folder name field will appear under it. Type App Redesign, then press Enter. Next, click the arrow next to 2 areas to expand it. Right-click on 2 areas and choose New Folder. Type Health, then press Enter. At this point, switch the structure back so you can reset the workspace. Move all of the notes back to the vault root, which means the top level of the vault outside those folders. Drag Product Launch Plan out of 1 project and back to the root. Drag Fitness Routine out of 2 areas and back to the root. Drag Best Productivity Books out of 3 resources and back to the root. Drag Japan Trip 2024 out of 4 archives and back to the root as well. Once the notes are back in the root, delete the 4 Para folders. Right-click 1 Projects and delete it. Do the same for 2 areas, then 3 resources, then 4 archives. This returns the workspace to a clean starting point for the Johnny Decimal structure. Now create the first new top-level folder. Right-click in an empty area of the File Explorer, choose New Folder, type 10-19 Life Admin, and press Enter. Create the second top-level folder. Right-click again, select New Folder, type 20-29 Work, then press Enter. Create the third top-level folder. Right-click again, choose New Folder, type 30-39 Learning, and press Enter. Next, open 10-19 Life Admin by clicking the arrow beside it. Right-click that folder and select New Folder. Type 11 Health, then press Enter. Still inside 10-19 Life Admin, right-click again and create another folder. Type 12 Finance, then press Enter. Now move to 20-29 Work. Click its arrow to expand it. Right-click the folder and select New Folder. Type 21 Projects, then press Enter. Go to 30-39 Learning. Expand it, right-click it, and create a new folder. Type 31 Books, then press Enter. Next, expand 11 Health. Right-click on 11 Health and choose New Folder. Type 11.01 Fitness Routine, then press Enter. Create the second ID level folder inside 11 Health. Right-click 11 Health again, select New Folder, type 11.02 Meal Plans, and press Enter. Now place the notes into their new locations. Find the Fitness Routine note in the vault root. Drag it into the folder 11.01 Fitness Routine. Find Product Launch Plan in the root. Drag it into 21 Projects. Find Best Productivity Books in the root. Drag it into 31 Books. Once those notes are moved, you'll see the new structure reflected in your current vault, an account view inside Obsidian. That completes the process of organizing an Obsidian vault with Para and then restructuring it with Johnny Decimal. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations.